Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Kumar, Faculty of MBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on project report preparation. The project report for a startup or new business venture is the roadmap for the business enterprise to be successful. It is discuss whether the business acquires financial or not, its challenges, risk, numerous problems which might be faced en route. Hence, it becomes vital for all new ventures to prepare a project report to acquaint themselves regarding the forewarning issues. Market analysis. It includes brief discussion on the chief influencers, types of market and players, etc. It must state reasons for starting business in a particular market. Market description, target clients, patterns of market consumption, advantages of services offered by the new business, production limitations as well as prospects, clients' behaviors and needs, support network as marketing rules formulated by the government, etc. Financial assessment. The detailed description of the investment expenditure and value of the entire project's anticipated productivity, money flows of the project report, etc. Operational plans. The project report must reflect the business models for production of goods as well as services, financial plan, management structure, etc., so that the stakeholder might be clear about the nature of the business project. Perform SWOT analysis. A good project report must include SWOT analysis, which is a strategic planning technique used to evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats of a project or in a business venture. Data analysis. Another major factor to consider while writing project report is data tabulation. Presenting the data lists or tables can help in understanding the report. Also, we find the listing or data tabulation does make the report look professional and neat. Hence, accompany essential lists or tables in your report when you need. Make sure you use the neutral colors to make the table and keep the list as well as the table look neat and crisp. Writing ending remarks. Present the logical conclusions in the project report in case discussions have not been inclusive. In the main body, include it in the conclusion, else keep this section small. Putting your recommendation. As we have worked on the report, nobody else but us would have a better understanding of the topic than ourselves. There might be a few solutions or actions that we think would be effective in dealing with the problem investigated in the report. The recommendation includes those solutions in the section. These must be listed in bullets and number lists for easier comprehension. So, I hope you must have understood the topic project report preparation quite well. Thank you very much.